Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Riders Republic with your friends step by step. Start by creating a party in the social menu, invite friends by their gamer tag, and pick a mode like free ride or multiplayer race. Confirm everyone accepts invites and check voice chat settings. Make sure all players have similar. Enable crossplay and link Ubisoft Connect to play across platforms, and verify usernames to avoid invite confusion while keeping things smooth. Use private lobbies for controlled sessions and set clear host responsibilities so invites are handled by one person. Adjust matchmaking filters and game versions to prevent mismatches, and test voice chat before major events to keep communication reliable and avoid mid-session disconnects or delays that ruin the flow. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is fantastic for picking up snack crumbs after long sessions. It uses voice control and smart mapping, so you can race without cleaning worries. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Choose modes that suit your group, whether casual free roam, trick competitions, or serious ranked races, and set clear rules for restarts and penalties to avoid frustration. Rotate hosts to share responsibilities and keep everyone invested, and use emotes or pings to coordinate routes and stunts. For beginners, start in private custom sessions with lenient rules, and always confirm game versions and updates before launching a group event to ensure smooth play.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.